Go for it.
My face?
Do it.
Put it in your mouth.
Do it.
My face.
Put it in
Do
your
it.
mouth. My book.
I will not shove this in
Put
my
it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth right now.
Why not two of them?
What?
I thought you were going to do two. Oh, okay. Go for it.
She has to warm them both up.
Okay.
I don't want that.
That's what she said.
Love it for luck. Love it for luck.
No, don't turn around.
Because you're going to make him make faces.
Don't gag.
He does it the way you do it.
You have to put it in your cheek. So? Okay, now you have to close it. Yeah. No gagging. Oh my god! Oh my god! That shocked me so.
He's going for the third.
Are you really?
He's over now. I'm being kind of uncomfortable.
I know, me too.
I don't know if I would do this.
Number 3.
Marshmallows in the shape of bananas, huh?
Too bad.
You got that fucker all the way in.
It's in his stomach right now.
Oh my god! Do it, do it.
Oh my god! Holy crap!
Oh my god!
Holy crap!
One more, George.
I don't think I can do that.
I ignore him in Facebook, that sucker.
Do I have to top that?
You got.
I don't like that I was showing up.
God.